The WE Knives Vision R, designed by SNECX Tan, is a full production knife with an innovative spine-mounted Superlock. This novel lock design is fun and easy to use, and it is also extremely strong and reliable. The Vision R also has a simple handle, a performance-driven blade, and an inline clip, making it a great EDC knife. The Wharncliffe-style reverse tanto blade with a rising flat grind offers powerful slicing, piercing, and precision capabilities. The CPM 20CV stainless steel blade provides high-end performance and a durable, low-profile finish. Riding on a ceramic bearing pivot, the blade opens smoothly and can be deployed using the blade hole or Superlock mechanism. The knife handle is made of thick slabs of stonewashed titanium, which house the blade and lock mechanism. The design is simple and streamlined, with chamfered edges for comfort and milled holes for traction and weight reduction. The backspacer is also the SNECX Superlock, a spring-loaded ambidextrous lock that provides secure lockup in harsh environments. The Vision R is available in 6 different models, with blade finishes ranging from black stonewash to silver bead-blasted CPM 20CV and stainless Hakapella pattern damasteel. The handles are also available in 6 different titanium colors. The 2 models differ only in the color of their titanium handles. The WEW-E210312 has black stonewashed titanium handles, while the WEW-E210314 has stonewashed bronze titanium handles. The WEW-E210311, WEW-E210313, and WEW-E210316 knives all have the same silver bead blast CPM 20CV reverse tanto blade. The WEW-E210311 has stonewashed gray titanium handles. The WEW-E210313 has stonewashed blue titanium handles with matching hardware, and the WEW-E210316 has a tiger stripe pattern flamed titanium handle. And the last model, WEW-E2031DS1, comes with a stainless Hakapella pattern damasteel blade and stonewashed black titanium handles with bronze hardware.